Hey guys, it's Earth. So today I'm gonna be installing the Regas, which are over there, onto my car. And for me to put them on, I have to roll the fenders because my offset's a little low, or a little aggressive I mean, and I have to raise the car because yeah, it's pretty aggressive. So my buddy Jan's gonna come over, help me roll my fenders because he has a roller and he's YouTube certified. So, and he rolled my previous car before, which I had a 2016 WRX, and I like how he did it. And he's a good buddy of mine. So shout out to you, Jan. I know you're watching, but yeah. So we're gonna roll the fenders, raise the car, and put them on and see how the fitment looks. Hopefully it's on point. So see you guys in a bit.